Hello. Today we have a Redmi Note 4 that is having this strange issue. It came here for not responding, so of course we have removed the back cover and the cover for the USB port and the speaker. We have removed the battery connector, flex cable, and look what is happening here. Okay, as you see, here is some of my tools, and this is a USB charging meter that just look, when we plug the cable, it switches off. This is a short, of course, that causing the charging meter to protect itself. We have tested this board, the board is okay, we can check it together. We unplug the flex cable that connects the USB board to the main board. So you see, now we're plugging the USB charging cable and it stays on, there's no short. We unplug the main board cable and we plug this side to the cable, so we have no short. Again, that means the cable is okay, the cable is not shorted. So the problem is on the main board. Okay. We must find out what's going on here and save his owner's data, because that is what he wants, because the phone is not responding. So I will disassemble the main board and come again. So we're back. We have removed the logic board from the phone, from the rest of the phone. So what we have done here, in order to find the short, we have soldered a wire in any ground on the board, and we have found that this positive pin is connected to the 3 pins of on the left, I'm sorry, on the connector here, and these connections from the USB port are coming on the 3 pins on this connector. Now this connector, these 3 pins are having a test point here, and here we have soldered the positive wire. Excuse me. Ναι. Είναι πολύ βιαστικό. Ναι, θέλω 5 λεπτά, 5-10 λεπτά. I'm back. Now, what we will do now? We will plug our power supply unit with 2.2 volts in order to see if we have a shortage or where we have the shortage. You see? 2.2 amps. You have a short. So what we will do, we will spray this board with a freezing spray, and we will plug the charging tip again and see what will happen. What we will overheat it will be clearly shown. So I will change the view to my microscope. I already know what is happening here. So I will freeze this board. Now we have snow on it. We'll plug it. I'm plugging it. Check it. See? I will freeze the board again. Check again. So it is this diode that does the damage. So we will remove it and check if the sorting is gone. Okay. Now we'll use my hot air. In 380. Ναι. Έρχομαι σε 2 λεπτά, 2 λεπτά. Ευχαριστώ. Ναι. Okay, and now we will plug the power supply unit again. See, you cannot see, but it is plugged. Check it out. The short is gone. Now we will replace the diode, but we don't need to replace the diode because it is for data recovery only, and we will return this board to the phone and check again. Coming soon. Now we have put back the main board. We have put every screw back, and remember this board. This is the cannot focus, of course, but I can show you. This is the board that we have removed the diode, remember? Okay, so I'm switching back to normal view, and I will plug the battery and the charging cable. Charging cable gives you see, the problem is solved. The phone is working again. It's charging, and I'm pretty sure that we will open the phone and we will restore the file successfully. So that was it. That was repair. It's booting, so we will have no problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next repair. Bye.